Hello, do you have a great week so far? Well, as always, I do have something that I want to start with, and this is about an email that I received some time back from someone who got stuck in a bad trade. In the email, he asked whether should he cut his losses when price rebound higher or just wait. And obviously he is in a long position and price has been dipping below his entry point. So whenever I have this kind of emails, two things immediately hit me. Number one, this guy is obviously trading with a real account and not paper trading. And number two, he probably does not have a solid game plan. And it's, I hate to say it, but he's probably trading more from a feel rather than something more solid. Here's the thing, usually there is just too much focus on entry but not on the exit. Okay, let's take this chart as an example. Say you're looking for a entry position, and if you look at what price is doing right now, there seems to be a strong support level there. And in fact, if you look closely, there is also a confluence with a Fibonacci retracement level, and in this case it's at 50% retracement. So you have support, you have Fib retracement, and things are looking good to go for long. Now in this case, if you look at it, if say you've taken a long position at this level and price has gone up a bit, and unfortunately in the next day price gapped down. So if you have a stop loss level here, you probably would have been taken out, But in this case, in the case of my friend here, he didn't put a stop loss there, and the thing is that, and this is what he said. He says that he didn't want to lose this trade, so he enlarged his stop loss because, and this is what he said, because price often rebounds back. Well, in this case, it clearly did not, and in fact, in the following day, it just kept on moving down. And what my friend did was that he kept on moving his stop loss down. This is one of those things that we all have done before. I'm sure everybody has at least done this once while they were trading, or many times while you are learning to trade. The thing is that when you enter a trade and you place your stop loss once, there should be very few reasons why you should ever want to move that stop loss, except of course if you are using a trading stop, which is a totally different thing. Now of course, I'm not going to say that there is not some circumstances that I might move my stop loss slightly, but for the most part, 99% of the time, my stop loss is telling me this is the point that this trade no longer makes sense. This is the point at which I determine my position size, right? So suppose if you are risking 1% of your account or 2% of your account. Now, the only way you can know this risk is by defining your stop loss level. While it seems like a very simple thing to do, there is this mindset that people get into when they are getting into trading and wanting to trade, is that the market moves up and down and you just need to move your stop loss back and it will eventually come back, and maybe you can close it out for break even, or heck, even maybe close it out for profit. Now here's the thing, that is one of the worst mistakes anybody can make. Please understand that it takes one time, just one time, for that market to keep going and not turn around, and your account is gone. Well, that's all I have to say on this subject. I hope you've got something useful out of this video, and if you like what you've seen, go ahead and hit on the like button below, or share this video with your friends who may find the content in this video useful, or simply hop over to letprofitsrun.com for even more good stuff. Well, that's it for now, and I will see you in the next video.